I'm observing the subject. Codename, Hugh. Drawing something interesting.
Sam, I can see you.
Yes, but who am I?
I can see you, Sam.
Fine. I'll work on my disguise some more. But will you be able to decrypt my spy code?
Ah, so you're a spy. And I thought you'd broken something and were hiding.
Yes! No. Doesn't matter. But what matters is decrypting my secret code.
Let's see. Hello, Sue. I want to know where, old candies? Sam, this isn't a secret code. These are just grammar mistakes. I'll show you how a real spy letter looks like.
Cool!
Go get me a glass of milk. I'm really thirsty. And I'll get a piece of paper.
Here!
Great, thanks. Yummy. Now, turn around and I'll write a secret message. And done. Look.
Where? It's an empty piece of paper. Oh, you're probably not done yet. I'll turn away and...
No, Sam. This is spy ink. You can't see it in a regular way, but if you do something to the paper, you'll see the text.
It's an easy task for a spy like me.
Do you need a clue?
I only need a few minutes.
Hi, guys. You've probably already guessed that today we'll show you how to make invisible ink. It's not only very convenient when you want to keep a secret, but also very beautiful. Let's start. Take a picture you like. Put a clean piece of paper over it so that the outline of the picture is visible. Now let's take our glass of milk and a brush and outline the picture. And so, we have an empty piece of paper which actually has an outline of a picture on it.
Sue, I need something from you.
I knew you'd need a clue.
A clue! And a new piece of paper.
What happened?
I thought that if I dripped some water on it, the ink would show.
And?
And I overdid it.
All right. I'll make a new paper, but I'll need more milk.
Hey, Sue, leave some for the others.
Don't be greedy. Milk is our clue.
Oh, I get it. I'll quickly solve the secret.
Sam probably doesn't even realize how easy it is to make the ink visible. You only need to heat the picture. You can do that with a hair iron. Look, it's real magic. Wow, a very pretty color.
Sue, I've got it.
Do tell.
It's easy. You wrote it with milk. And what goes best with milk?
Surprise me.
Cookies! I'll rub the paper with a cookie, and then the text will show. And, hey! Nothing happens! Oh, it's sad, but tasty.
Oh, Sam. Admit your defeat.
Well, I'm eating. I agree to everything.
Let me show you how easy it is. To make the ink show, you just need to heat the paper. I'll run the iron over the paper, and the text will show.
It's magic! We're a great team. You are a magician, and I'm an elusive spy.
Oh, yeah. Elusive. Read the text.
Sam, I know you broke the nightlight. Uh-oh! Sorry. Cookie?
No. Help me make a new nightlight instead. We'll make it with magical ink. And I need more milk.
There's no more left.
What?
Well, while I was picking the best cookies to suit the milk, I drank all the milk.
Well, it's all right. You can make magical ink not only from milk. Check it out, Sam. We can use other things instead of milk. Apple, lemon, or onion juice. let's take our lemon and squeeze out some juice. Like this. Give it a try.
Ew, too sour.
Then it'll work. I'll take a brush and outline a picture. And this time, I'll heat it with an iron. Remember to be very careful with the iron. It's very hot, so make sure you ask a grown-up for help. Done! Now I'll take a glass container. Roll the paper up with the picture facing out. And place it into the container. And then, place an LED ribbon inside. Or you can use regular fairy lights. Now let's turn it on. Voila! The new nightlight is done!
Awesome! Even better than the old one! Especially since it's lying in the rubbish bin in pieces.
Guys, write in the comments other ways we can use invisible ink. We really want to know.
I'm tired. Time to go to bed.
Okay, but first you need to clean up.
Created lots of rubbish!
Sam, you can't avoid this. It's your punishment for the broken nightlight.
Oh, fine.
And I'm off to bed.